Hello and welcome everyone to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Git and Git clone to use the Git command line on Windows. On Windows 11 specifically, it also works on Windows 10. So let's get started. Well, first we need to download a piece of software called Git Bash. So we write Git Bash in Google. Then we go to downloads. After that we press here, download for Windows. We choose 64-bit and we wait for the download to finish. And after the download is finished, we can now click on the piece of software. And of course we agree. I clicked twice by mistake. After that we will have this screen. Now I need you to follow me as usual. First we click next, we keep it to the default path. We keep those as is. Okay, next. Some might use Vim, some Notepad++, maybe you're using Visual Studio Code, you can choose from here. What would you like your default code editor to be? I'm just gonna keep it to Vim. Let's Git decide. Yes, I will keep all of those. I will install OpenSSH. Yes, I'll keep all of those to default. Next, 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 and then the installation process will start. And after a few minutes we will have Git installed. So we uncheck view release notes and we click on finish. Then we go to our desktop, for example, and we right click. We click show more options and we will find open Git bash here. And as you can see, we have a terminal, and this terminal is kind of the Linux terminal. It has all the needed equipment, all the needed, or we'll say, commands. So we can start by git, and as you can see, the command works. It also added git to the path, so we can even open a terminal and write git. Still it would work. For example, we want to clone a repo. I will go to GitHub website, for example. Now click the first link. After that I will choose a random repo. I will just write e-commerce. I will search for a public repo, for example this one. Now click code, copy, and I'll come here and git clone, right. And as you can see, it's cloning the repository into a directory called e-commerce crawler. So this is just an example, and it finally worked. So this is the way to install Git Bash. Thank you all for watching. See you in another video.